In this video, we'll study fractions. Now you see a container for a fraction on your screen, and this circle represents a whole. Now if we put that as one whole, it occupies a full area there. One circle represents a whole. Now we can divide the circle into two halves. We can, for example, one half, another half. What this tells us is that the whole has been divided into two equal parts. The number above the line, 1, tells you this is one part, and the number below the bar, 2, tells you how many pieces this circle has been divided into. So this circle has been divided into two parts. Let's color that part a different color. Okay, so the circle has been divided into two parts. The key idea to remember is the number at the bottom of the bar, 2, the denominator, tells you into how many parts the whole has been divided into. It's been divided into two parts. And the number at the top, the numerator, tells you this is one of two parts. Okay, let's divide the circle into 4 parts. 1, the number at the top numerator tells you this is only one out of 4 parts into which the circle has been divided. So let's add another, and another. So the number at the top is the numerator, the number at the bottom the denominator. And the denominator tells you into how many parts the circle has been divided. This is only 1 out of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's remove 1 there. So you're left with 1, 2, 3 parts out of 4. So it's 3/4. We took away 2/4. You can now add a half. So a half plus a quarter makes up the whole. When you add a quarter and a quarter, you get a half. See the half there, the color orange, plus this half makes up a whole.